Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase GCash limit to 100k. So let's start with the first step, which is to open your GCash account on your phone and log in using your MPIN or biometric. Now from the home screen you will see an available balance and main services like send money, cash in, and bills. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and from here tap fully verified upgrade. Now on the home screen you will see your verification status. Tap on the fully verified upgrade to GCash Plus card. So this is how you will raise your wallet limit from 50,000 to 100k per month. Next step is start GCash Plus upgrade. So review the comparison table. GCash Plus doubles your send, receive, cash in, and cash out limit to 100k per month. So you will need a valid Philippine issued ID, a quick selfie, and optionally proof of income. So tap on the start upgrade. Next is verify your identity. So you can choose an ID type, which can be PhilSys, driver's license, passport, or UMID. So just have to place it inside the camera frame, make sure that the text is readable, and next is take a clear selfie to match the photo on your ID. Lastly is you are now a GCash Plus. So once approved, usually within minutes, you will see a confirmation screen showing your new 100k monthly limit. So a GCash Plus badge appears next to your balance and all the higher limits are instantly active. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!